So we're going to work now with the hollow body on our backs on the floor. A really great way again to engage the abdominals, and it's a really good preparation. It's sort of where I begin and where I teach a lot of my clients, even a lot of yoga students, just the beginnings of the hollow body. What we're trying to do is engage your abdominals and teach these muscles to activate and be more efficient as time goes on with the more load that we add to these muscles, the contraction. A very basic way to engage is on your back, lift your feet off the floor. And as you do, if the lower back's arching, if it's creating a little arch, push the back down, push that lower back into the floor, and you should feel that little crunch. Very basic crunch, abdominals working, switching on. That's just a very gentle introduction. You could do this, hold it for 30 seconds, lower the feet, you'll feel that natural arch come back. Different stages, that's one. The next stage, feet off the floor, chin to the chest. That will activate down the front of the body. I like to have my arms beside, my palms face up, and the shoulder blades touching the floor. Try not to come too far up, that can really fatigue you. But with the shoulder blades down, I'm holding this shape. You will feel it start to engage the SEMs, sternocleidomastoid muscles down the side of the neck, so be mindful there. If you want more intensity, legs are parallel to the floor, lower legs. If you push the knees further away, that adds weight for the abdominals to contract further, deeper. Your lower back may lift, so you might need to be pushing it down. Drop down to the floor. Move your head side to side. We're actually doing the contraction. We're doing the core work as we're basically getting the body into the shape. So we'll do it again. Chin into the chest. Arms beside. Palms face up. If you want, these shoulders, draw them down away from the ears again. That will engage muscles underneath the armpits. Feet can lift, holding and breathing. For those who want more intensity, maybe you've got like the staircase look at the legs. Knees can push further away. Eventually, we're trying to get to this hollow body shape. That's the end point, but that's a lot of leverage with the legs. It's a lot of contraction that this part of the abdominals need to do. Drop the head, drop the feet, a lot of talking, but hopefully you're working with me. Move the head gently side to side. That will just soften the SEMs, just release any neck tension that's built up. We'll do it again. We'll aim to do it for 30 seconds. If you need to go for less, that's totally fine. Drop down when you need to. Don't fight it, don't force it. Chin into the chest, arms beside, lift the feet, breathing. We're holding for time. If that lower back is lifting, push it down. If you want more intensity, you'll know straight away, the legs pushing away, I can feel my abdominals work more, so bring them back. Less intensity, knees into the chest. Keep breathing, almost there. Slowly come down, drop the head, turn the head side to side. Whatever else you feel you need to do. If you need to drop the knees side to side, we'll do 2 more 30-second holds. If you want to do less, that's fine. Chin into the chest, arms beside, palms face up, draw the shoulders down, lift the feet slightly off the floor, make sure the lower back is touching, that will activate the abdominals as well, holding, breathing. Any position you want those legs to be, a deeper lever, more weight, less weight. And gently lower. Release. Turn the head side to side. We'll work one more time. If that's enough for you today, just hang out, have a breather. Otherwise, chin into the chest, palms face up, shoulders drawing down. Make sure those shoulder blades are touching. The tail, in a sense, tucks under. That gets the lower back down to the floor. Feet lift. Holding, breathing. Where's your lever? Where are the legs? If they're out in front, really squeeze the glutes. That will get the body working really hard. 5 seconds to go. And we're down. Move the knees. We'll do a bonus round, but maybe just for 10 seconds because it is quite intense. So what we're going to be doing here, instead of having the arms beside us, you're going to bring them above the head. This will act even more intensely with the abdominals and really helps to switch on the outer side of the abdominals. So, feet lift up off the floor. Either hold this shape or arms above your head. I sometimes like to hold my head even with one arm, but I'm doing that gentle tuck under the tail. My lower back's pushing into the floor harder. I can feel my abdominals on. Arms are above, either holding the head or not. Feet can go away if that feels like you want. And we'll slowly drop down. Well done, everybody. Again, another great introduction to get this core active and working. You could do this every second day, every third day, maybe twice a week to begin. Just let the body rest in between. Make sure you don't exhaust yourself or overtrain. And I'll see you in the next video.